Hi everyone, meteorologist Sam Ryan. Skiers are flocking to the resorts. We've got snow, and this is just the first of what should be a series of days worth of snow all the way through about Monday. And then it should begin to taper off after that. But this atmospheric river is taking aim right at us off the Pacific, and a few waves also pulsating through. And so we're getting strong winds aloft that is mixing down to the surface at times. There's potential here for some strong wind. And we'll have some breezy afternoons, but we see that snow. They're looking at the potential of about 6 to 12 inches of snow across the Wyoming range out west, the Tetons, all the way through Yellowstone. And that continues again all the way through Sunday, maybe into Monday. Bighorn Mountains, a little bit less. Also some snow in the Front Range. Down to the south, the Sierra Madre Range, the Snowy Range. Looking at wind gusts already close to 40 miles per hour. We'll have those pulsating through the afternoon. Picking up even more Sunday, Monday. Just to point out, though, going into Tuesday for New Year's Eve, it does diminish. However, the cold will arrive. So the cold's returning. Mild, though, until then here locally. Spotty mix in the afternoon. Breezy afternoons. We'll have heavy mountain snow. Caution traveling. Make sure you're checking YDOT and road conditions. Likely closed a lot of times as they have to get out there and clear some of that snow, which will be building up. And that continues here. Monday locally, I think we could get some accumulated snow. The amounts are still uncertain. We're a little ways away from that. We typically don't put out snowfall totals until a couple days beforehand. But Monday, just to give you a preview, I always think that's important as well, to show you some of the amounts I think could happen, at least what one of the models are showing. Then we'll turn colder behind that. So checking out the forecast, look at this. We see some of that snow primarily out west, southern mountains. Bighorn Mountains, again, still getting some. Not as much. Front Range as well. Bulk of it will be over in the western part of the state, where, again, they could have up to 30 inches of snow through Sunday in a few spots. That includes Jackson Hole, the Wind River Range as well. And then you get into the Front Range, still some nuisance snow. Could have some areas that could be problematic traveling. Locally here, though, we're going to have to wait until Monday. So this is that one model I mentioned, up to 7 inches here locally, and even at Douglas around 5 inches. So this is the European model, and it has been fluctuating between about 5 and 7 inches. So we'll have to wait and see. We'll be around 31 degrees overnight. Waking up on our Saturday morning, 27 in Douglas. Highs stopping out in the 30s, some upper 20s out west, 30s in the central part, and some 40s and upper 40s in the east. Torrington, for example. Newcastle at 41 Saturday with some sunshine. And looking ahead again, just spotty mixes, breezy afternoons, and finally cooling down with snow accumulating primarily on Monday.